Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another topic related to journaling or DSPJRN command. Okay, so for this, what we will do, firstly I will show you the journal which is already created in my system. And if you are referring the previous sessions, means if you are referring the entire series, then you know that we created this journal work OPJ, and my journal name is testjrn, right? So this is already created in library Sharmit 1. Okay, so same journal we are going to use in today's demo as well. So for that, just write dsp, which is for display, jrn, which is for journal, press F4. Here you can put your journal name. In my case, journal name is testjrn, which we just verified. Library is Sharmit 1. Then we are supposed to provide the file name. In my case, file name is students. Again, the library name Sharmit 1. So as of at the moment, we are not going to hit like we are not going to do anything here. Just simple journal command I'm running. So you can see it is showing this much of entries. We have these all entries in the journal, right? Now in today's session, we are going to discuss about how to filter the journal entries. Let's say if I want to pick up only those only those entries which is related to the type code R. So how to fetch that? So for that we will do the filtering. So let's see how to do filter. Press F4. Here you can put your uh, basic detail like journal, library name, then file name, library name. Okay, then simply do page down again, and one more time, and then you will find this option journal entry types. Here by default option is star all. So what we will do, we will take F4 here. Now to learn more about this thing, you can put your cursor on white text and press F1. Once you press F1, it will show you this information where you will find all the information related to this, like star all. What it means, the conversion of journal entries is not limited to a particular entry type. So in this case, all the entry type will be populated, and by default option is star all. So whenever we are hitting enter on after providing the journal detail and file detail, then it goes with the star all option, and that's why it does not limit to a particular entry type. But the moment when you pass this option star rcd, so what it will do, it will show only entries that have an entry type for record level operations are converted. Okay, the following entry types are valid: br, dl, dr, il, pt, px, up, and ur. So these are the all valid entries which comes under this star rcd option. Then we have one more option, other values, where it is written specify the entry type that limits the number of journal entries being converted for external representation. Up to 300 valid entry type can be specified. For more information, we can simply refer this IBM link. It will provide you all the information about this option. Okay, so let's hit enter, and for now we will just go with option star RCT and hitting enter. Hitting enter again. So you can see it only pick those line which is related to the type code R. Okay, so this is a alternative way. Let's say if someone asks you to show all the record related information from entries, only record related entries, so in that case you can put this star rcd option and it will fetch out only record related entries. Okay, fine. Now like if you go and check this detail again, you will find page down. Yes, so journal entry types here, one more option is there for specific entry, and for this option, like, you can simply go and check out the IBM official website, because there you will find all the possible entry types. although it should work for star F. Let's check if it is working right now or not, because I tried this, it is not working for me. Let's try it here. Yeah, it is showing no entries converted or received from journal test JRN. So we need to check for this thing, like why it is not populating the information. So that I will check and I will let you know why it is not working right now. But let's say if you would like to check for all the details which is related to star RCD, then simply you can go and put the option star RCD here in star entry types. By default it is taking all entries. So let's say if someone you are using this DSPJRN command and there are multiple entries which is also including file related thing like open close, right? So that is not useful for us, right? We are only looking for those entries which is related to record. So in that case we can simply go and use this star RCD option. Now how will you identify whether it is a record level or file level? So in that case again you can go and check with this option by option 5. Here you will find code, right? Operation on a specific record, and if you simply go and check for the F option you will find code F database file member operation. Okay, so through these options we can easily identify what all values we have fetched. Okay, and if you are going with option star RCD, then only it will pick these two record, because this is related to record specific. Okay, 1 and 2. And the moment when you are providing star instead of star RCD, if you are providing star all, then in that case it will fetch out all this data, whatever the entries you have made to this journal, all values would be populated here. Okay, if right now if I let me show you one more thing. Select star from Sharmit1 slash student. So let's say if we update this thing 900 record, so just simply write here update F4, then we have file name as students, library is Sharmit1, hit enter, and here I will put ABC, enter, where SID equals to 800. So you can see one row has been updated. Now simply go and refresh the screen. Here you can see for update also this is a record type. So the moment when you select RCD here, it will give you the all three record which is related to R record type. So here just go and put star RCD. So you can see. So let's say if you would like to check all the entries which is related to the operation insertion, updation, deletion. So in that case simply you can filter the data on the basis of star RCD. Okay, and if you would like to check for all the entries, then by default we can simply hit enter and it will fetch out all the things. So yeah, that's all about this topic. And the question for today is, like, you can put the answer for this question is, which command is used to change the attribute of journal? So this thing we have already discussed in our previous session, so you can simply recall that command, and that is very important command. So you can just recall that command and just put a command name in the comment section. So if someone has not covered that session, he can also take a reference from your comment section. Okay, so I recommend you to put the answer for this question, and like it would be easy, it would be helpful for you as well, so because through this you can easily recall all the topic that has been covered so far. Okay, so that's why I request you to put the answer in the comment section. So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.